As we move into 2025, more West Jordan homeowners are recognizing the value of upgrading their doors. Whether it's for improved security, energy efficiency, or enhanced curb appeal, replacing old doors with modern, high-performance options is a smart investment. If you're considering an upgrade, here are the top reasons why homeowners in West Jordan are replacing their doors in 2025. Enhanced home security. With security being a top concern for homeowners, upgrading to reinforced entry doors with advanced locking mechanisms is a priority. Modern doors feature multi-point locking systems that provide extra layers of security. Impact-resistant materials like steel and fiberglass, which make break-ins more difficult. Smart locks and keyless entry systems, giving homeowners more control over access to their property. By investing in secure doors, West Jordan residents can protect their families and belongings from potential threats. Energy efficiency and lower utility bills. Utah experiences hot summers and cold winters, making energy efficiency a major concern. Older doors can allow drafts, forcing HVAC systems to work harder. Energy-efficient doors in 2025 offer improved insulation, reducing heat transfer and maintaining comfortable indoor temperatures. Weather stripping and tight seals to eliminate air leaks. Energy Star certified materials, helping homeowners cut down on heating and cooling costs. Upgrading to an energy-efficient door means lower energy bills and a more comfortable home year-round. Boosting curb appeal and property value. A home's front door is one of the first things people notice, making it a key component of curb appeal. West Jordan homeowners are upgrading their doors in 2025 to increase home value, as modern entry doors are an attractive feature for potential buyers. Match current design trends, such as bold colors, sleek finishes, and glass paneling. Enhance exterior aesthetics, making homes stand out in the neighborhood. Replacing an old, worn-out door with a stylish, durable option can significantly enhance your home's exterior. Weather resistance and durability. West Jordan's seasonal weather extremes require doors that can withstand harsh conditions. New door technology in 2025 includes impact-resistant materials that can handle strong winds, snow, and heavy rain. Moisture-resistant coatings to prevent warping and rotting. UV-resistant finishes that maintain color and integrity under intense sunlight. Investing in a weather-resistant door ensures long-term durability and performance. Smart door features and home automation. The rise of smart home technology is another big reason why homeowners in West Jordan are upgrading their doors. New doors now integrate with smart home systems, offering keyless entry options, including fingerprint and mobile app access. Video doorbells with real-time monitoring. Automated locking mechanisms for added convenience and security. With smart doors, homeowners can enhance security, monitor their entryways remotely, and enjoy hands-free convenience. Noise reduction for a peaceful home. For homeowners near busy streets or noisy neighborhoods, soundproofing is a key benefit of new door installations. Modern doors help by blocking outside noise with insulated core materials, reducing vibrations and sound transmission with multi-layered construction, creating a quieter, more relaxing indoor environment. If noise is an issue, a high-quality replacement door can make your home more peaceful and comfortable. Low maintenance and long-lasting performance. Many older doors require frequent repairs, repainting, and sealing to stay functional. New door options in 2025 offer fade-resistant finishes, eliminating the need for frequent repainting. Rust-proof hardware, ensuring longevity. Minimal maintenance materials like fiberglass and composite wood. A low-maintenance door means less hassle and long-term savings for homeowners. Customization options to suit every home. With a wide range of materials, colors, and styles available, homeowners can find doors that match their personal taste. Popular customization options include glass inserts and sidelights for added elegance and natural light, decorative panels and unique textures for a personalized look, custom hardware finishes, from classic bronze to modern stainless steel. With so many customizable features, homeowners can choose doors that perfectly complement their homes. Final thoughts. A worthwhile investment for West Jordan homeowners. In 2025, upgrading to a high-quality, energy-efficient, and secure door is a smart investment for West Jordan homeowners. Whether it's for security, energy savings, curb appeal, or convenience, replacing an outdated door can greatly enhance your home's comfort and value. If you're considering a door replacement, consult with a trusted door installation expert in West Jordan to explore the best options for your home. A modern, well-installed door will provide years of security, efficiency, and beauty.